Usually we use round tips for piping dots and details, but you can actually use it to pipe succulents. The design we're going to do has tube-like leaves, and we're going to start out with a wide base, and then we're going to taper it off to a point. We're going to use a tip 8, but you can also do this with a tip 10 or 12. It'll just look a little bit heavier. We're using medium consistency icing for this technique. As with any technique with a point, if you're finding that your icing keeps breaking or won't make a point, add a tiny bit of light corn syrup. It'll help give your icing some stretch and you'll get really nice points. I'm going to put my flower square on my nail. Watch how my hand is positioned. I'm on the outer edge so that we can build up the first row and my tip is slanted. We want to get that angle so we get a nice open look. Because I want the leaves to stand up, I'm going to squeeze, stop, and pull away. Squeeze, stop, and pull away. Relaxing your pressure is really important for this technique because that's how you get a point. Remember, we're squeezing hard to make the base, but as you pull up, don't squeeze as hard. Keep decreasing your pressure as you get towards the point. I'm going to try and do another one. Once again, squeeze hard, pull up, relax, and stop squeezing and pull away. I'm going to go ahead and pipe the rest of my outer row. So my succulent is starting to shape up here. I think it's looking good, so I'm going to start my second row. I'm angling my tip up just a little bit higher. This is really starting to get full, so I'm just going to fill in any open spaces that I can see here. Your tip might be totally upright at this point, and that is okay. And that is my finished succulent. For a different look, you can even try a slight variation in the length of the leaves. Here I have a few cookies and also a cupcake that are decorated with the succulent. And I use two-tone color effect to get this nice contrast. This will also look stunning in arrangement, especially if you combine it with the cactus. As usual, if you want to make this in advance, make a batch using your flower nail. Freeze or dry until you're ready to use. And that is my finished succulent.